Hi, I'm Rachel Hansen. I'm the Public Information Officer at Cascade Medical, and it's April 24th. We're still holding steady. We received 84 negative tests for COVID-19, 5 are pending, and our 2 positive cases were reported over a month ago. So we're doing really well, and I just wanted to thank you all for doing your part, keeping everyone safe. So about COVID-19, we do have more testing kits available. So if you have fever, dry cough, or shortness of breath, give us a call. We've opened up testing for anyone with symptoms, so let us know. I also wanted to remind you that Cascade Medical is open because healthcare is an essential service. Our primary care clinic is available in person and over telehealth. Our on-site lab is also open for routine testing. And we're going the extra mile to keep everyone safe and to keep everything especially clean right now. So let us know if you have any questions. We're noticing a dangerous trend here and nationwide that I wanted to talk with you all about. We're noticing that more people are avoiding the emergency room or avoiding their family doctor out of fear of COVID-19. So while we're seeing fewer cases in the ER, the cases we are seeing are a lot more serious because of that delay in care. So I wanted to share with you today 5 symptoms that you should never try to ride out. Number 1 being chest pain. If you have any pressure or tightness in your torso area, it may be a sign of a heart attack. Number 2, shortness of breath. Number 3, any sudden onset of a severe headache could be a sign of high blood pressure or a stroke. And stroke is number 4. So if you have a hard time talking, or if your face starts to feel weak, if you start to lose control over any of your limbs, those are all signs of a stroke. And number 5 is abdominal pain, especially if it's severe and if it's accompanied by vomiting and a fever. With all of those symptoms, time is really of the essence. So please don't try to write it out. Call 911. Our emergency department is open 24/7, and like I said, we've taken a lot of extra precautions to treat everyone safely. So looking ahead, I'm going to switch gears here. Looking ahead, even after the economy opens back up, it's sounding like masks are likely going to be part of our lives for a while. So we brought in one of our RNs, her name is Emily Lacuza, to produce a video with us on how to wear a mask like an RN. So we hope you'll find it helpful. We'll release it here in the next couple of days, so be on the lookout. And thanks for your support, everyone. See you next week.